Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Meagan Yvonne if you're new. Thanks for clicking on this video. If you are returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you coming back to check out the content that I'm making. I'm really enjoying myself and I just appreciate you so much. So today we're going to get into this look. I was very inspired by a recent photo posted by Beyoncé and I was like, I really love that eyeshadow look. So I wanted to recreate it. This is my take on the look. I did do, I did adjust the colors, some just for my skin tone and everything. And yeah, so let's just get into it. Again, I'm thankful that you clicked on this video and yeah, have a great rest of your day or whenever you're watching this. I hope you stay happy, hope you stay healthy, and I hope you stay safe. All right, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to do the remainder of the video in voiceover mode. I started talking during some parts of the video and then, you know, throughout the video, I was like, I have to concentrate because I want this look to look really, really nice. So I'm going to voice over the rest of this. Right here, I'm just showing you that I picked up the new Juvia's Place primers. Well, it's new to me. So they come in 3 different shades, a lighter shade, a mid-tone shade, and a darker shade. Right here, I'm using the mid-tone shade. What I really enjoyed about this product was that it really grit my shadow well. I didn't have to pack on as much shadow as I typically would if I was just using, you know, just like a regular concealer. I still love using my concealer, you know, as a base, but this was just, you know, an alternative. And I feel like if you are using this product to have it so that you can make your colors pop, like this would work really well with that. So because I knew that the look that I was using, she had on like a lighter color on her eyes, and I really wanted my shadow to stand out. I knew that using a primer would be the best option to get me the color payoff. Now I'm just going in and I'm trying to create that. I'm not trying, I am creating that, you know, that it's not a wing, but it's just kind of like that smoked out outer edge. And then I'm just going back and forth between, you know, touching up the lighter shadow, which is on my lid, and then going back and kind of smoking out my outer V. So yeah, just this look, like I said, I needed to concentrate, and I think it's harder to recreate looks as opposed to like when you're just sitting down in front of the mirror and you're just going off of, you know, what you think looks good, trying to recreate someone else's work because you're looking at their details and you're like, oh, does mine look pretty similar, or, you know, is that something different, or, you know, oh, mine is too wide and that's a little bit more on the slimmer side. So that was the thing that I was doing at this time. I was just looking back and forth at the picture and then trying to emulate how the makeup artist created the look on her. So again, I'm using a lighter brown shade, you know, to just kind of wing it out, but then I'm going in with a darker shade and then going back to touch up my actual, you know, my actual lid. So I'm using between a peach-ish color and like a light tan color. I mixed the two to arrive at the color that I have on my lid now. Then I'm just going in with a blending brush. I'm using like a soft brown to go in and create that. I did speed this up a bit because it did take me a while to create this eye look. So I did my other eye off camera. Right now I'm just using some, you know, liquid glow from ABH, and I'm using a cosmetic wedge to blend that out and kind of, you know, go up around my eyes to even, you know, make that edge a little sharper. I did go in afterwards with my foundation and put that on, and then I'm going in with my concealer to, you know, give that brighten effect. What I did notice is that, you know, she really had like a bright inner part of her face. The makeup artist like really brightened that up. So to achieve that with this look, I did go in with another concealer in a lighter shade, and this is a Tarte Shape Tape, by the way, but I went in with Deep initially, and then I went in with Tan Deep Honey just to brighten up that concealer. So typically on a day-to-day basis, or, you know, if I'm just doing like a regular look, I don't use such a bright concealer, but because I was trying to mimic that look, I did as well. Additionally, I don't typically contour my nose. I might put like a little bit of powder where my eyebrows are, but I saw that they had really like snatched her nose, so that's why I went in with the Fenty matchstick and just went down to, you know, do the same. So now I'm just blending it out. And as you can see, it's really brightening up the center of my face. Again, like I said, I have fast forwarded this part. And now I'm just going in with my Laura Mercier powder. And I'm using a brush instead to set my concealer. And it may look like I'm using a lot, but I'm just really going in and just trying to set that and really blending it out. Then again, going in and, you know, contouring my nose and around the edges of my face. Now I'm using the liner. So this is what initially attracted me to this look. I really love the liner, but honestly, the liner, I was really loving the look prior to putting the liner on for myself. I think because her liner was more on a silvery tone and mine was more on a goldish tone, that like I would have loved it regardless, but it still turned out really great. And now I'm just going in with my mascara. Prior to that, I used some highlighter because she did have like a really highlighted inner part of her face. And again, still looking over at the picture, and I'm just kind of going under my eye to just put like a light brown under my eye on the bottom part of my lashes, which was something that I noticed that was done as well in the makeup look. So just going and blending that out, and then as time will go by, I am going to blend out that highlight. I'm not just going to leave it like that. I also noticed that they brought the blush pretty close to the inner part of her face, so I did that as well. I went in with like a peach shade, and now I'm just blending out that highlighter. So I just didn't leave it just sitting on my face. Also using my beauty blender, and now my foundation brush with my setting powder to do that, to set the rest of my face. Now I'm just adding lashes, which I noticed that, you know, she went for a more dramatic lash on this look, because usually Beyonce's lashes are pretty natural. It's not doing the most. Now I'm just going and lining my lips with a brown liner. Just really going in, you know, and then using a peachy shade. This is by MAC as well. And then a Fenty gloss just to finish off the look and cleaning that up afterwards. Hi guys, so I'm back. So this is how the look turned out. I am really enjoying it. It looks so good. I do really like the eyeshadow. I think I liked it more before I added the sparkle on it, so I'll hold my lids down so you can really see it, but I think I really liked it more before I added the sparkle and just as a matte look. But again, I was trying to go with the inspiration picture from Beyonce, and I just, you know, I think if I would have had the same silvery kind of liner that she had, it would have turned out like more similar. But nonetheless, I think it still turned out really pretty. It's still really festive. She wore this look and I believe it was her album release party. So yeah, this is how the look turned out. I kind of crimped my hair as inspiration, because you know Beyonce, she's either with like loose curls or crimps. So yeah, this is how the look turned out. I am, you know, this is more makeup than I typically would wear, but it's always fun to experiment with makeup, because at the end of the day, you can just wash it off, you know, but I had fun transforming into this look. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you haven't already, take some time to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload. That would mean so much to me. We're on the journey to grow this channel, and I'm just really enjoying the process. So I hope that you go on this journey with me to grow my channel. I'm really enjoying the process, and I didn't realize how much I missed creating until, you know, I got back into it. So I hope that you join me as I grow my channel on this journey. I'm just having a ton of fun over here, and I would love for you to join the family. Again, I hope that you stay happy, healthy, and safe wherever you are, whenever you're watching this video. And again, thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Again, comment below, you know, some of your favorite items from, you know, the look. Also, if you've listened to her latest project, comment your favorite song, because I would love to know, you know, what that is. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.